And first, it's IC chip card. It's the card information. Then it's magnetic strip card. It's the card information. And last, it's NFC card. It's the card information. Let me show the printing operation. It supports 58mm high-speed thermal printing, and it can support multi-language and barcode picture printing. It can also select higher print density. Now, let's start the scan test. It's 1D code, it's 2D code, and it's a QR code. That's all. It's our introduction of the post terminal HCC-Z100. If you want to know more product information, welcome to contact us. Thank you.